Hi Neo. It was really fascinating to learn Leonardo da Vinci last week, but now I'm thinking of someone else. I've heard about Einstein, but who was he and why is he so famous?
Hi, Zane. Albert Einstein is considered one of the greatest scientists of the 20th century. He was a physicist and developed very important theories that helped us understand concepts like time, energy, and space.
Time and space? That sounds a little complicated. Can you explain it in simpler terms?
So let's start the whole journey from the beginning. Albert Einstein was born in Ulm, Germany on March 14, 1879, and was a great scientist who had a profound impact on the world of physics. But Einstein wasn't just a scientist, he was also a human rights advocate and worked for a more peaceful world.
Wow, but was Einstein always this genius?
Interestingly enough, no, Einstein didn't speak at all until he was 3 years old. In fact, when he did speak, he spoke very slowly. He continued to have speech problems until he was 9 years old. It's really incredible that someone who was so quiet as a child can make such great contributions to science, isn't it?
Absolutely. So how did he become interested in science?
Einstein's first encounter with science was when he was only 5 years old, when his father gave him a small pocket compass. As Einstein examined the compass, he became curious about the mysterious force that directed the needle in a certain direction. That's when his fascination with science began. This curiosity led him to ask bigger questions and seek answers.
A compass? How could such a small thing be the beginning of such a big journey?
The greatest discoveries in life often begin with small curiosities. Zane, Einstein's story shows that nothing is impossible.
Neo, what is Einstein's most famous work?
Einstein's most famous work is the theory of relativity. This theory states that time and space can change according to moving objects. He also developed the famous E=mc formula, which explains the relationship between energy and mass. This formula explains the connection between energy and matter and is a revolution in science.
What else did he do?
Einstein won the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1921. He won this award for his work on the photoelectric effect, which explains the behavior of light. In fact, the theory of relativity was not fully understood at the time, so the Nobel Prize was not given for this work.
Neo, was Einstein only interested in science?
No, Zane. Einstein also loved music. He loved playing the violin and said that music deepened his thoughts. He is also known for his views supporting world peace. He worked actively on human rights and peace issues and raised his voice against injustice.
It's great that he loved music, but did everyone accept his theories right away?
At first, his ideas were very controversial because they completely changed conventional thinking. However, over time, they were proven correct by experiments and were accepted in the scientific world. Today, without his work, it would not have been possible to develop many technologies such as GPS, satellite technology, and lasers.
I find the world of these scientists more and more interesting every day. Neo, what is Einstein's legacy?
Einstein's work forms the basis of fields such as quantum physics and astrophysics today. Also, one of his greatest legacies to the world is his inspiration to young people.
Neo, Einstein was truly a special person. Thank you for telling the story of his inspiring life.
History is full of many people who contributed to the development of humanity. Each one has their own unique stories.
Who will we meet next week?
Our journey to meet important people in history will continue with your curiosity and support.
Thank you, Neo. I can't wait for new stories.